Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400 with ABS brakes. This lightweight superbike just arrived with only 34,000 on the odometer. It's got the smoke windscreen, frame sliders, and the tech spec grip tape on the tank. Beautiful condition, runs perfectly. Come on by and make your lightweight sport twin dreams come true for just $44.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.